What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review we have another bird feeder, and this one was sent in from Brome. The actual company saw the video that I did when we was trying to defend our food from the squirrels. Now we're going to do it again, but this one is a nut feeder. I told them I want to review this one since I reviewed their other one that does seeds. This one is for nuts. All right, so if you the type that go to Walmart and go ahead and get nuts for the blue jays, the woodpeckers, and whatever else bird consume nuts, then this will be the perfect product for you, because most of the time if you're trying to feed blue jays and birds that eat nuts, the squirrels are coming and they will eat all the food. This stuff is not cheap. This bag of nuts I just got from Walmart and they are $10, and the squirrels don't care how much you pay for it. All right, so this is for the bird lovers out there. Let's unbox this thing. I'm gonna take it out of the box. This is nice. This feeder says it holds up to 1.3 pounds. And we also got these suet nuggets. What else in the box? All right, we have our instructions. Okay, so this lifts up like that. All right. We have a hook. Put it 18 inches from a tree branch if you're hanging it on a tree branch, and it need to be 18 inches if you away from the ground, and 18 inches away if you away from the your whatever post you have it on. You want it 18 inches away. Now that is to make sure that it's away from the squirrels, because the squirrels got good reach. They show you here all of their units that they have. Okay, so they even give you a product registration card, and here we have the big booklet. So on this side is the instructions. So I don't know if y'all can see the plus and the minus on the bird feeder, but I'll take a photo of it so you can see it. All right, so in here it says factory setting is recommended. But if you want to attract the lighter birds, you have to bring your tensioner up. All right, so basically this yellow part that's in the middle, you'll see it move up. And if you want to allow heavier birds on your bird feeder, you will have to bring it lower. If you still haven't seen it, you have your positive and your negative here, and that way you can pretty much adjust your tensioner. If this yellow part, the ball in the middle, is between the positive and negative, is on the factory setting. I just want to see what happens when we put our tensioner all the way. All right, so if you got the tensioner all the way, you're not feeding birds. This have 3 different sides on it. So we are going to put some nuts here, and then we're going to put the suet over the other side. You can put nuts over here, and then you can put whatever other nuts in this corner, because you got 3 dividers. We're going to put the nuggets on the opposite side. I will plug in their website in the description box, and I will plug in the other reviews that I did with the other feeders. Don't go nowhere, because you should subscribe. They actually gave me another one to review.